Jiro Manyo, Ay de las Alas's son Sancho surprise comedy queen on My Mother, My Story, set. Ay de las Alas couldn't help but turn emotional as her on-screen son Jiro Manyo and her real-life son Sancho Vito surprised her on the set of My Mother, My Story. Ay graced the latest episode of Boy Abundance talk show on October 27, where she and the King of Talk both celebrated their birthday. As they concluded the show, Sancho and Jiro, who were both holding a birthday cake, appeared on the set. Sabi ko hindi ako iiyak, I said and teared up upon seeing the two. Happy birthday, Ma, Sancho said to her mom, to which the comedy queen replied, thank you anak. I love you, and blew the candle. Jiro, meanwhile, went to Tito Boy and gave him the other birthday cake. Ay akin ba ito? Tito Boy quip. Amin na ring dalawa to. Alam ko birthday ko rin. Sabay na tayo, he added and shared the cake with Ai. Jiro also gave a present to Ai and hugged her. Kamusta ka na bib? Ai asked emotionally. Okay naman po, the former child actor answered. He also didn't miss the opportunity to say his birthday message for his mommy Ai. Nakaka-touch kasi ngayong lang po kami nagkita ulit. Sa kabila po ng mga tulong na ibinigay sa akin, mga pag-alala, yung mga hindi ko makakalimutang pinagsamahan natin noon. Kumbaga, mas pinili ko pong magbago hindi lang para sa sarili kundi para sa mga naging inspirasyon ko po tulad po ni Mommy Ai, Jiro said. Meanwhile, Sancho expressed his gratitude to his mom for her love and guidance. Hi Maria, syempre, happy birthday. Alam mo naman na, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa guidance, sa pagmamahal, sa lahat, kung paano mo kami pinalaki. Alam kong malayo na ang narating mo at hindi ka pa rin tumitigil sa takbo ng karera mo dahil alam kong mahal na mahal mo ang work mo kung paano mo kami minahal bilang anak. Parang ganoon mo rin take ang trabahong to. I wish you good health para marami pang trabaho. At saka stay strong. I love you, he said. Jiro and Ai formed a close relationship after playing mother and son roles in 3 Tanging Ina films. She was also the first to help Jiro after he was found loitering the Terminal 3 of the Ninoy Aquino International Airport in 2015. Meanwhile, Sancho is Ai's son from a previous relationship. She has 3 other children, Sean Nicolo and Sofia with her former husband Miguel Vera, and Seth Andre, whom she adopted in 2011. Ai has been married to Gerald Sibayan since 2017. The couple renewed their vows in Las Vegas in 2022. Ai is currently one of the judges of the Kapuso singing competition, The Clash, alongside Lani Misalucha and Christian Bautista.